In this GeminAI review, I am going to be showing you how this amazing AI chatbot can help your business. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I am going to show you a tutorial on how GeminAI can help your business. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get GeminAI at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you up to 100 bonuses which you're gonna be getting in the members area if you end up purchasing through my link. Now let me show you my bonuses. So these are the 100 bonuses that you're gonna be getting if you end up buying GeminAI. So the first bonus is the affiliate rockstar, then the second bonus is the affiliate marketing success, and it goes all the way to 100 bonuses. So you're gonna be getting a total of 100 bonuses if you end up purchasing through my link in the description. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, world's first true Google's new GeminAI model powered app, bringing you instant answers across text, images, audio, video and code. The high-tech app outshines ChatGPT 4 and making real-time multimedia responses easy and faster within seconds. To understand this a little better, I'm going to be showing you a video of GeminAI. And after you guys watch the video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how this works.
You can easily create and selling lots of AI generated writing, creating content, AI pictures, amazing videos, and interesting headlines with just one click. Welcome to the future of copy and visual creation with GeminAI. Now you can transform your copywriting game and supercharge your business effortlessly. Introducing GeminAI, the ultimate AI copywriting solution. Here's how you can revolutionize your copy in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and make your AI writing assistant yours. Make amazing writing with just a few clicks. Make writing that convinces people with your GeminAI writing assistant easily. Step 2. Make persuasive writing and interesting headlines. Use the power of GeminAI to make writing and headlines that get attention and keep your audience interested. Step 3. Make more sales and money. Relax and see your writing become super effective. With GeminAI, your success is just one click away. For a short time, grab the chance to get GeminAI at a special launch price. Get everything for a small, one-time fee of $17. Join the league of successful marketers and entrepreneurs who are already leveraging the AI copywriting power of GeminAI. Your breakthrough is just around the corner. Act now and receive a bundle of exclusive business-boosting bonuses with your GeminAI purchase. Remember, this isn't just a solution, it's the solution to all your copywriting challenges. Your investment is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, making this a 100% risk-free opportunity for you. Time is important. Click the button below to secure your copy of GeminAI and revolutionize your copywriting game. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video explaining GeminAI. Now I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial on how GeminAI works. And after you guys watch the tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you the different OTOs and upgrades for this AI chatbot. I hope the tutorial was helpful. Now let me show you the different OTOs and upgrade. So the front end cost of GeminAI is $17 and it has got a total of 7 OTOs, and the first OTO is the unlimited version which is $32. Then comes the second OTO which is $37 which is the DFY version. Then comes the automation version which is $47. Then comes the profit sites version which is $37. Then comes the reseller version which is $197. Then comes the agency which is $27. And the last OTO is the white label which is $67. So I would suggest to upgrade GeminAI based on your needs. So if you want profit sites which is $37, you can go ahead and upgrade. But if you don't want to and just stick to the front end price which is $17, you can stick to that. I hope you enjoyed this review of GeminAI. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.